and Sunday night, mostly clear.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County, southwestern Bureau County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tacoma, or 9 miles south of Cambridge, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kewaunee, Cambridge, Galva, Sheffield, Neponset, Bishop Hill, Tacoma, Kewaunee Municipal Airport, Eula, German Corner, and Johnson Sauk Trail State Park. You're listening to NOAA Weather Ranges and Falling. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Stark County, northeastern Knox County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Galva, or 10 miles southwest of Kewaunee, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lafayette around 8:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Elmira. Remember that tornadoes can occur before a warning has been issued. The time is currently 8:26 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ 66 in Galesburg. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Henry County, southwestern Bureau County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Kewaunee Municipal Airport, or near Kewaunee, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kewaunee and Kewaunee Municipal Airport around 8:30 p.m. Neponset around 8:35 p.m. Boot around 8:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Sheffield. A severe The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County, east central Knox County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmira, or near Toulon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Osceola and Bradford around 8:50 p.m. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. for southeastern Henry and southwestern Bureau counties.